Hi there, welcome back here guys. Welcome in your development update video from the newest Ethereum development course when we are programming in Solidity and also working in React.js and the Next.js frameworks. Okay, so let's take a look at what I've been working today, what lectures I have added into the course. So currently you can already see that I've been working on a React application. So we have been adding here some functionality, especially we have been loading a provider and integration between the MetaMask and our web application. So I'll show you a preview of this. Here is a connection to a Web3 provider and also functionality to get account. So when I will go to browser, you can see here I'm already displaying here account number that has been connected. We have installed MetaMask wallet. So when I will, for example, when I will disconnect from a MetaMask, okay, so look it here. Let's refresh. I will refresh. You can see when I'm connecting to my web page, I am immediately asked to connect my MetaMask account. When I will connect my MetaMask account, put the wrong password, you will see I will display the current connected account. Okay, and here we have some testing accounts with some testing Ether. No, I don't have 71 Ether. Okay, so we have also prepared the buttons for donate and withdraw. This will be, I will be recording in tomorrow. And also from a perspective of a contract, I've been explaining quite a lot of stuff. I've been explaining about the contracts, interfaces, inheritance, abstract contracts, accessors like a private, public, external, internal, and some patterns in a contract. And we finished our very simple faucet contract in which we can withdraw and donate some testing Ether. Okay, and then our application is connected to Ganache network, so to our private blockchain. We created this connection with our private blockchain Ganache here. Alright guys, I think that's gonna be it from today's development update. Stay tuned. And yeah, one more thing I forgot. You can maybe academy.inco.com. I'll show you the course. Already has more lectures added there. There should be more lectures. So 64, I'll be adding, I think 6 more or 7 more today. More hours of content, and tomorrow I'll be including, I guess, even more lectures. So already everything here. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it, and I hope to see you in next video. Cheers.